Okay, so this is a quick tutorial to show you how I created the green screen effect from just filming in front of a green screen. So basically what I did was I filmed myself, which most people saw earlier on Facebook, and now I just take my content and I drag it into my workable area. So now you can see that it's playing the video, right? So what I usually do is drag this over to this part right where it's gonna start, and then I take my cutting tool right here, the razor tool, and I put it right on the line, and then I cut it. Now you have two versions of this file, and now I can drag my videos into it. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know if I even have them here, so I'll pull them from another folder right quick. Hold on for 1 second. So now I'll just drag this little video in here, and we'll push it over to the edge. And now you see it's right here, but it's covering me, right? So all I got to do is just pull this up above it. And now you can't see it, right? But all you do is come over here. Move that out the way. Okay, let's stop. I don't know why that's doing that. Okay, so you drag that there, right? So now you see the green, but you don't see this part. So you go to effects, excuse me. You type in Ultra, and now you see you have the Ultra key. So you grab that and you drag it onto your file that has the green screen. And then once you do that, you will see the Ultra key is right here. So you see the key color right here. I don't know if you can see it, but under key color, I just highlighted it. You click the eyedropper and you just click in the green part, and bam, there it is. Oh my goodness. Now all you have to do is just adjust it so that it fits in the screen. We'll scale it a bit, and now you can see that it's playing in the background. Now you see there's a lot of noise right there, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go back in here and go to the matte generation. I want to play with these transparencies until they actually are to the point where there's hardly any noise. Take off the shadowing. Get the noise out for the tolerance. And then check the pedestal, and there, now you have a clear video with the background moving. And I can even drag another video over to fill in the gap right here. So that when it plays past that point, then it will take you to the next video. And now I just scale that one and put her a little bigger and move her over into the picture. And now I have the whole hookup. And there you go. That's it. It's pretty simple. And it didn't even take that long. That was like less than 5 minutes. And it would have been less than that, but I ended up taking too long with the other files. So this is Brian Baccus with Brian Baccus Brands and Style Click Media. Thank you very much for watching.